Friends, here is a question on the screen. The question is from data interpretation. Study the following graph to answer the given questions. And this question was asked in Canara Bank PO examination 2003. Here in this examination, the line chart was given to you. On x-axis years are depicted and on y-axis percent profit is given. It means that in 1997 company B has a profit of 30%. In 1998 company B again have a profit of 30%. In 1999 the company has a profit of 40% and so on. Similarly, in 1999, company A has 40% profit and company A in 1998 has 35% profit and so on. And with the help of this given data through graph, we have to answer the questions. So let us see the first question. If the expenditure of company B is 2000 in 2000 was rupees 200 crore, what was its income? So the expenditure is given as 200 crore rupees. So expenditure is given as 200 crore and it is asked what is the income. So income we have to find. We know that the income means what? Expenditure plus profit. Income means what? It is expenditure plus profit. It's so simple. So here expenditure is what? It is already given to you, that is 200 crore, and profit we will get from graph the company B. So we will have to see in the graph of company B. So in 2000, so in 2000 here the profit is what? It is 20%. What is the profit? Profit is 20%. So 20% on what? It is on expenditure, and 20% on expenditure, this is 200, 10% will be 20 and 20% will be again 20, so it will be total 40. So 40 crore will be the profit. So 200 crore is the expenditure and profit is 40 crore, so total income will be 240 crore. So it's so simple. So friends, here you should have a good knowledge of calculation, then you should have a good knowledge of percentage, then you should have a good knowledge of ratios and the good knowledge of averages. If you have a mastery over these four topics, that is calculation, percentages, ratios and averages, you can score 100% marks in data interpretation. Now let us see the next question. So the next question is that if the income of company A in 2002 is rupees 600 crores, what is its expenditure? Now here it is given that the company A in 2002, its income is 600 crore. Income in 2002 is given as 600 crore and you have to find the expenditure. To find the expenditure, you will need the profit, because expenditure will be equal to income minus profit. But still we do not know the expenditure, so we cannot find the profit because profit is calculated on the expenditure. And so here we will see that what percent profit is there. It is company A, so we will see in company A in 2002. So in 2002 company A's profit is 60%. 60% means what? For 100 rupees it is a profit, there is a profit of 60 rupees. So if the expenditure is 100 rupees, then what will be the income? Income will be 160 rupees because profit will be 60 rupees. So for 100 rupees the income is 160, then for 600 rupees 600 crore income, what will be the expenditure? So in this we multiply this 2 and divide by this number, so it will be 600 multiplied by 100 upon 160. So if you solve this, friends, you get it as 375 crore, because this is 600 crore, so you get the answer as 375 crore. So option C is the correct option. Let us see the another questions. If the income of company B in 1998 was rupees 200 crores, what is its profits in 1990? In 1990 the profit of company B is, we have to find, but the expenditure is not given, and since the expenditure is not given we cannot find the profit, and therefore we cannot determine the answer, that is the profit in 1990. So the correct option will be option number 4. Let us see the next question. If the income of two companies in 1998 were equal, income of two companies, company A and income of company B, both are equal in 1998, and we have to find the ratio of their expenditures. We have to find the ratio of company A to that of the company B. So here we have to find this ratio. Income A of income B, both are equal. Since it is given that these two are equal, we know the equation, and with the help of this equation we can find the ratio of the expenditure. Here first I explain you in detail how to solve this, and then I will tell you how to do this in a shortest way. We know that income is what? Expenditure plus profit, and income of B2 will be expenditure plus profit. So here let the expenditure of A be X and the expenditure of B is Y, and therefore income will be what? X plus 35% of X, 35% of X, that is equal to Y plus 30% of Y, because 35% of X profit, because in 1998 the company B has a profit of 30% and company A has a profit of 35%, and therefore it is 35% of X and this is 30% of Y. Here X will be a common factor, so it will be 1 plus 35%, which is equal to Y will be a common factor, Y plus 30% of Y. Sorry, Y is a common factor, Y is a common factor, so it will be Y into bracket 1 plus 30%. So 1 plus 35% will be what? 135%. So it will be X into 135% means 135%, which is equal to Y into 130%. So percent will get cancelled and you will get X upon Y. If you take Y to this side, so it will be X upon Y, which is equal to 130 upon 135, and 130 upon 135, that is equal to 26 by 27. So the ratio of their expenditures is 26:27. But instead of doing so many steps, you can do it in a shortest way, as when we know that the 35% is a profit and here the 30% is the profit, so directly we can write at that the income is 135 of x, that is equal to 130 of y. So 135 of x will be the income of A, and 130% of y, that will be the income of y. I have not written percent because percent will get cancelled, and therefore x upon y, take y to this side, you will get it as 130 upon 135, that is equal to 26 by 27. So this is the way you can solve it in a shortest way. So friends, I hope you must have enjoyed this video. If yes, please share it with your friends, like it, and do not forget to subscribe the channel so that the notification of the newly uploaded video will reach to you and you will not miss any of the video. So please like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe the channel. Thank you very much for watching this video.